what we're here to explore. Now, it's my privilege to invite our esteemed resource person, Mrs. Shabana Khatun, Associate Professor, College of Nursing, SGPGI, to take over the session. And Nodal Officer for Scholarships, she has over a decade of teaching experience across reputed institutions and actively contributes as a resource person, speaker, and organizer in national and international conferences and workshops.
Okay, so nowadays we are doing the simulation, and nursing curriculum is also adding so many studies are going for the simulation. Okay, so there are some best practices why we are doing simulation, why it is required. For example, we are getting the feedback.
John, Principal, KGMU College of Nursing, guest speakers, faculty from our institute, faculty from outside, participants from KGMU and participants from outside. On behalf of KGMU College of Nursing, it is my proud privilege to welcome you all to this pre-conference workshop on use of simulation for improving the quality of nursing education. Now, as we all know, nursing education has evolved over the years. Initially, it just used to be classroom teaching and some teaching in the ward. But now, it has evolved and it is following the Miller's triad. I am sure most of you must be aware of this Miller's triad, where they say that all education should evolve from knows to knows how, from shows to shows how, and finally at the top of it all is does.
मैं ट्राई कर रही हूँ बट बोल भी नहीं रहे हैं। अच्छा ठीक है, इनकी तो सर पे तो छोड़ नहीं, सर पे तो नहीं ठीक है। सिस्टर कॉल द डॉक्टर प्लीज। यस आई हैव कॉल्ड द डॉक्टर एंड ही इज कमिंग। चेक कर आपकी सिस्टर क्या नाम है? महेश। महेश जी, महेश जी, महेश जी, आप सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे? इनका एक्सीडेंट हुआ है और इनको कहना है कि इनके हाथ में चोट लगी है। एक्सीडेंट हुआ है तो राइट चेक किया पेशेंट को कहाँ पे इंजरी है? इनको पेन बहुत ज़्यादा हो रही है। महेश जी, आप सुन पा रहे हैं मुझे? महेश जी, महेश जी, आपको कहाँ पे चोट लगी है? हाथ में दर्द हो रहा है और कहीं पे पैर में दर्द हो रहा है? आप आपकी बोल सकते हैं? आपकी